Welcome guys. So far we have seen different types of inheritance. Okay, we have seen different types of inheritance, and last inheritance type is multiple inheritance. Okay, which is not allowed in Java. Okay, why it is not allowed, that we'll see. Okay, anyhow we know the concept. Okay, it is not allowed, but why it is not allowed? Okay, so that part we are going to see. Okay, so suppose multiple inheritance means, so with example first, multiple inheritance means one child having two parents. Like suppose this is one class, and this is another B class, and this is another C class. Okay, so from C, what I'm trying to do is extends A, which is possible. So one child can have one parents, but one child can have two parents. In real time also it's not possible, right? So we'll see. So I'm trying to give one child class two parents. So see, I'm getting multiple errors. So let's see what error I'm getting here first. So syntax token error on tokens, annotation name expected instead. Okay, so this is not allowed because in this case, suppose if I'll extend A and B both, okay, so I'll create object of C. Fine, I'll create object of C here, and I'll try to call the method present inside A and B. And if I'll see, so both are having same name M1, right? So if I'll call this method by using C reference, so which method will should get called, right? So if I'm extending A and B, so by default this will be available like this. Okay, so I'm just, for your understanding, I'm printing this. Okay, for just your understanding I'm printing. So this both M1 will come here, both M1 method will come here. So now if I'll try to print, okay, this one is for M1, this is A method, AM1 method, and this is BM1 method. Okay, both are different, right? But if I'll try to create object of C, so this is just for your explanation and understanding, I'm writing C, small c is equal to new C. Okay, now if I'll call C dot M1, if I'll call C dot M1, what will happen in this case, right? So M1 will get called, but which M1? Whether B class M1 or A class M1, right? So here compiler will get confused. This is known as ambiguity state. Okay, because of this, multiple inheritance is not allowed in Java using class. So you have to remember, multiple inheritance is not allowed in Java using class. Okay, using class, but yes, it is allowed by using interface concept, which we'll see in upcoming session. Okay, but using class, multiple inheritance is not at all supported in Java. Okay, so this is one of the reason. Okay, next reason is, okay, this is one of the reason, but main reason is, I'll just explain you why. So let's finish this. So hope you understood this example. Okay, so one child cannot have more than one parents in Java using class. Okay, let's go for this diagram and we'll see what is diamond problem. Okay, so in Java, what is the supermost class? So supermost class in Java is always and always object class. Okay, supermost class in Java is always and always what? Object class. So every class will by default extend to object class. Okay, okay, fine. So now here I am extending from C, I am extending A, and A will be also extending to what? Object class. Fine. Then from C, I'm already extending to B, and B will be always extending to what? Object class. So by default, B will be extending to object class. Fine. Now since this C, so every time you'll create object, it will call first superclass constructor. If inheritance is there, it will call superclass constructor. So this concept you will understand very clearly. It will be very crystal clear once you'll go through the constructor topic. So once I'll explain constructor topic, this will be very much clear, this example. But as of now, I'll just explain you little. Okay, but don't worry, this concept 110% you will understand in constructor concept, because all the topics, this all entire things is related to constructor now. So suppose here, once I'll create object of child class, so by default, if an inheritance is there, so it super will get called, and it will call superclass constructor. Okay, so as of now, C is child and A is what? Superclass. So this class constructor will call, means superclass constructor will call, right? Then again, this is extending to object class. So again, it will go to the superclass, which is object class, right? Perfect. So now from C, if I'll try to extend A and B simultaneously, like one child, two parents, what will happen? How to reach to this parent, right? So compiler will get confused, okay? Because C is extending to A also and C is extending to B also. So how to reach to this object, right? So this will be very, very confusing for the compiler. So this is known as ambiguity state, okay? So this, because of this diamond problem, multiple inheritance is not supported in Java using class. Explicitly I'm telling, using class multiple inheritance is not supported, but yes, it is supported using interface, which we'll see in upcoming lecture. Okay, so again, once again we'll see this example in constructor concept once we'll complete entire constructor topic and super and this keyword, and that time it will be very much clear for you. Okay, so that's all about this. So see you in the next.